popular scary games. The one, okay, the one I, okay, hello, hello. Okay, I think I'm alone. I think I'm alone. I think I'm alone. Okay, I'm the only one here. So, huh? The what? Kuya Jasper buy Coke and drink tapon. He do that. Huh? Me just buy mogu mogu and drink on kusina. Welcome to Shawarma Kiosk. You gonna be playing Skibidi.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Great. Now open. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rule.
Okay, ano?
On this cold December evening, the player did not yet know how the shift would end.
Huh?
Snow slowly settled on the asphalt. The security cameras clicked softly, recording an empty yard and a quiet street. When the customer arrived, he looked completely normal. So normal, it was almost unsettling.
Okay.
The player looked at him through the glass, then at the camera screen.
Oh.
This is the part where the player looks at the camera screens.
Oh, wait. I should look at the camera.
And made a decision. The window was closed.
Okay. Sounds like the sound of the I'm not a human thing sound.
Sometimes the safest choice is the most ordinary one.
Ooh. You see, no, I'm not a human. This is the God. Stop sharing. Okay, let me just look at the camera. Ooh. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Shut up now. What the? Yo? The guy behind you will kidnap you, bro. Okay. Perfectly fine. Shawarma. Popcorn. Bro, look behind you. There's someone there. Rolling, rolling, roll.
Here's your order.
Look behind you.
Bex, this totally made my evening.
What? Wait, what you? What do you? Yo, I think he wasn't a human. Okay. Are you good?
H, hey, give me one shawarma, big one.
Hello, sir. That will be 150.
What the?
Why? Yeah, about that I don't have any money at all. T, can you make one for free? I'm starving, I'll pay next time, I swear.
Good. Well, I'm pretty bad about him, so I give him free, bro. You will have a good day, okay? But he kinda speaks like an alien, bro. By the way, if I die, video ends. Yes, what? Like I said, if I die, video ends.
Here you go.
GH, thanks.
Because if I didn't, okay. Bro, he keeps dancing. What if I just go out? Oh, oh my god. Hmm. Oh my god.
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
All right, that will be 150.
Ayo, no.
Seriously, you just closed it in my face. I've been starving all day.
Okay, I'm ending the video. I'm scared.